सदाशिवसमारम्भा शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ 15th chapter, 17th shloka. उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः। Lord Krishna presenting this entire universe is a mixture of Chetanam and Achetanam. This entire universe is nothing but sentient Chetanam and insentient Achetanam Mishritam. Chetanam is that Brahma Atma Swarupam, Nirvikaram, Nirgunam, Nityam, Ekam. That Chetanam is nothing but Atma Swarupam. Achetanam is known as Prakriti, Maya, inert principle, Savikaram, Sagunam, Anekam. There is a lot of difference between both Chetanam and Achetanam. Not only lot of difference, but there is they cannot meet each other. Like light and darkness. Where there is light, there cannot be darkness. Where there is darkness, there cannot be light. Even though they have this much opposite attributes, as though attributes, but how they are together, the example is not suitable, how it is together. For that one example we have to see. Dreamer and waker, wherever there is waker, there cannot be dreamer. Wherever the dreamer, there cannot be waker. Waker and dreamer cannot coexist, but they are happily coexist. In waker only dreamer comes. Dreamer cannot exist separately other than waker. From me the waker alone dreamer comes. From me alone the waker comes and waker sustains also. Dreamer sustain also. From me the waker, the dreamer emerges out. From me the waker, the dreamer is emerging means born, arise. Because of me the waker alone, the dreamer sustains. Into me only the dreamer dissolves. Like that, from that Atma Chaitanya alone, everything, all Achetana Padarthas come into existence, and all the Achetana Padarthas are sustaining because of that existence, Atma principle. And all these Padarthas will merge into that Atma alone. Therefore, Chetana Achetanam. Chetana is not having an independent existence of its own, like a dreamer. Just as the dreamer cannot have independent existence of his own, similarly, the achetana prapancha, nama rupa prapancha, the nama rupa prapancha cannot exist separately, independently from this Atma Chaitanyam. Therefore, this achetana prapancham alone is called Maya Prakriti. This is the power of that Brahma Chaitanyam or Sakshi Chaitanyam or Nirgunam Brahma. Maya is the power. It's just appearance. Therefore, Lord Krishna, 16th shloka, he has given Imau Loke, in this world, there are two Purushas, Arjuna, Kshara Purusha, Akshara Purusha. Perishable matter and imperishable matter. Imperishable means what? It is more time it can stay compared to Kshara Purusha. Imperishable in the sense, its job is permanent than Kshara Purusha. How we have understood Kshara Purusha, Akshara Purusha? Kshara Purusha means manifest matter. Akshara Purusha means unmanifest matter or energy. Unmanifest matter is called energy. That energy alone is called avyaktam, invisible. That alone is called Akshara Purusha. Matter in potential form. Avyakta Rupam Akshara Purusha. So, with compared to manifest matter, unmanifest matter is both are achetanam. Both are achetanam, insentient. But with compared to this matter, manifest matter, this unmanifest matter is permanent. That is why Aksharam, imperishable. That is the meaning of Aksharam. Sarvani bhutani ksharaha. What do you mean by that imperishable ksharam? All the beings, nama, rupa, whatever we are seeing, sarvani bhutani, all beings come under ksharam. In front of our eyes itself it disappears. Many things are disappearing in front of our eyes. Ksharam is sarvani bhutani. Then what do you mean by aksharam? Kutasthaha aksharam uchyatena. Kutastha here means Maya. Maya is called Kutasthaha. With compared to this manifest matter, Maya is more permanent. Maya is there always along with Brahman. Until you get Jnanam, Maya survives. Until we get Atma Jnanam, Maya live a long life. Yugas and yugas. Even Janmas and Janmas, Maya is there. Therefore, with compared to this Prakriti means manifest matter, and this another Prakriti is what? Unmanifest matter. Energy in motion is called matter. We are all, body-mind complex is a matter in motion, energy in motion. Energy in motion is called locomotion, general. Locomotion, commotion. The motion starts, then locomotion starts, and commotion also comes. So then it goes into unmanifest form. Matter goes into unmanifest form. That is Aksharam, Avyaktam. अव्यक्ताद्व्यक्तयः सर्वाः प्रभवन्त्यः रागमे रात्र्यागमे प्रलीयन्ते तत्रैवाव्यक्तसंज्ञकेन. They manifest and they unmanifest. Comes and goes. Arrival and departure. Kutastaha uchyate. So, first, what is the division? Chetanam, achetanam division. Sentient and insentient division. I have given the 10 features of Chetanam, Brahma, and Achetana, Maya features 10. Comparative study we have done. Next, what Lord Krishna did in Chetanam, that is 16th sloka, is Chetanam, Achetanam itself has got 2 divisions. 16th sloka says what? Achetanam itself is 2 types. Visible Achetanam, invisible Achetanam. Visible, inert matter, invisible, inert matter. Vyaktamanna visible, avyaktamanna invisible. Invisible matter, energy. Visible matter is matter. Therefore, energy is always undergoing a change. Energy can be converted into matter, energy can be converted into another type of energy. So, it is always changing. Now, this Achetanam, 2 types, having explained that, Chetanam is that Atma is known as, so Kshara Purusha and Akshara Purusha over. Now, Lord Krishna says one more Purusha is there, totally 3 Purushas. Third Purusha is Uttama Purushaha. Uttama Purushaha. What is Uttama Purushaha? He says Anyaha Paramatma Uttama Purushaha iti Udahritaha. Anyaha means what? Other than this Kshara Purusha and Akshara Purusha, other than this Vyakta Namarupa Maya and Avyakta Namarupa Maya. Okay, I am changing lot of names. Vyakta Namarupa Maya Akshara Purusha, Avyakta Namarupa Maya Akshara Purusha, Paramatma Anyaha. Paramatma is other than these 2. Anyaha. Paramatma Anyaha. He is named as what? That Anyaha, who is separate from this Kshara Purusha and Akshara Purusha, Udahritaha. This Paramatma is said to be, Udahritaha means is said to be Uttama Purushaha. Uttama Purushaha iti Udahritaha. This Paramatma is said to be Uttama Purushaha. So that Paramatma is called Uttama Purushaha. Now this Uttama Purusha, you can reverse it in Uttama Purushaha. Purusha you put front and Uttama bring later na Purushottamaha. Purushottamaha. First, Saha Paramatma we say. Saha Paramatma, here it's there, Saha Paramatma, Uttama Purusha. Saha is first person. Saha is first person. That Saha Ahamasmi. Ahamasmi. That Paramatma. Saha Ahamasmi. Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachanalo Saha in, when you come to Dhatu, what you say? That he in Cholom. He we say. He we say. He, that Paramatma. He is myself. first person, and I am now. Asti, Paramatma, Asti, Saha, Tanti, Asmi, Swaha, Smaha. Then what is Uttama Purusha? Aham Asmi. Aham Asmi, Swaha, Smaha. Asti, Staha, Santi, Asi, Sthaha, Stha. Madhyama Purusha is Asi. Asi, Staha, Stha. Asmi. So, Asmi is Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. Grammar students ki koncham very interesting. Third person Saha, Uttama Purushala Aham. So, first person, I am first person, Uttama. In the Uttama Purusha, first person grammar, you reverse it. Uttama Purusha is Asmi, I am. I am the Uttama Purusha. Then you reverse it, Purushottamaha. So, Nan Uttaman anartham. Uttama Purusha grammar lanu, I am first. And Purushottamalo kuda Chaitanya Swarupam, I am first. Okay. Grammar theriyalena ignore blissfully. No problem. Okay. Uttamaha Purushaha. Utkrishtatamaha ityartha. Uttamaha means Utkrishtatamaha, superior most. Purushottamaha. This Purushottamaha Anyaha. Second line. Where is this Purushaha? Uttama Purushaha. Where is this Uttama Purushaha? Uttama Purusha is Yaha Ishvaraha. That Ishvara, Paramatma, Ishvara, both are one and the same. Yaha Ishvaraha Avyayaha. That Paramatma, Uttama Purushaha is called Ishvaraha. Avyayaha means never change. Ever the same, never change. Where he is available? Lokatrayam avishya bibharti. Bibharti lokatrayam avishya. He sustains the 14 lokas. Lokatrayam means 3 lokas. 3 lokas. You can take all other lokas also. You can take all other lokas means Atala Vitala. All lower lokas, upper lokas, Manusha loka. What we know, no, Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Namagadiriyo. In a Bhulokam, Bhuvar Suvar Lokam, 3 lokas. Swargam, intermediary loka, and Bhuloka. This is Upalakshanam. You have to include all other lokas also. This Uttama Purushaha, Paramatma, Ishvaraha, Avyayaha, because of whom the whole universe is sustaining. Vibharti means what? Filled and earth. Gold is filling in every chain. Every chain. Chain is nothing but gold. That is called Vibharti. Vibharti means here support and artham. Support. Dharayati, sustains. Just like gold enters the chain. Gold enters the chain. Chain enters the gold. Chain enters the gold sollakudadu. Gold enters the chain sollakudadu. Enna golde chainu, chaine golde. Pot enters the clay or clay enters the pot. Pot enters the clay or clay enters the pot. Clay sustains the pot. Clay ghatam bhibharti. The mridu ghatam bhibharti means what? Clay sustains the pot. Pot cannot sustain without clay. Therefore, clay sustains the pot. Uttama Purusha sustains the universe. Our illenna mudiyadu. Clay illenna pot mudiyadu. Pot irukka mudiyadu. Similarly, Uttama Purusha is not there. The world cannot exist. The world cannot exist. What about you? Generally, what we say, without God, this world cannot exist. We show outside. Hey, what about you? You are in the world, no? You have to show like this, like dancer shows like this, no? Like that they have to. This world cannot exist. Nanu kuda adila nartham. I am also included in the world. So that is called Bhibharti. So wherever you touch this part, what you are touching? Clay. Purastha, dakshinataha, adhascha, urdhvam. Wherever you touch, you are touching the clay. Similarly, whatever you are experiencing, whatever you are touching, whatever you are hearing, whatever you are seeing, Pashyan, Srunvan, Sprishan, Jigran, Ashnan, Gachan, Swapan, Shwasan, Pralapan, Visrajan, Grundhan, Nimishan, Nimishan, Apina. Where is it? Anybody asks, where is God? You should not answer. You are a Gita student. Where is God? You show me where He is not, then I will show you where He is. Where is God? And generally people just casually they ask, have you seen God? You are talking so much about God. Have you seen God? Where is God? You tell me now. We'll ask one question. First you show me, you tell me where He is not, then I will explain. அதுக்கு அவனு சொல்ல முடியாது, நம்ம சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியமும் கிடையாது. He cannot say where He is not. He cannot say where He is not. Then why you are asking? Therefore, God is everywhere. God is everywhere. One person wrote, God is nowhere, and he has written, Nastikan. He has written, God is nowhere on the wall. Then one person came, Astika came, God is nowhere, and the nowhere, and the WHERE ki பக்கத்துல ஒரு W க்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு காமா போட்டான். God is now here. God is now here. Just put comma, அவ்வளவுதான். See, this is called perception. Perception. The one who is writing, God is nowhere, is God. He is Atma Swarupam. How can you be separate from God? The one who is putting comma also, God. Therefore, God is now here. Therefore, Ishvaraha Avyayaha Lokatrayam Bibharti. Now, go to highest philosophical angle. Bhivarti means Satta Spurti Pradata. Satta Rupena. Easiness, easiness, easiness. In the form of easiness. Table is. Mic is. Fan is. Desk is. House is. He is. She is. I is అని சொல்லக்கூடாது. గ్రామర్లో ఈజ్ యామ్ అని చూడండి. వెన్ ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ అదర్స్ ఈజ్నెస్, వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు మీ ఐ హావ్ టు సే ఐ ఈజ్ అని சொல்லக்கூடாது. ఐ యామ్, యామ్ ఈజ్నెస్ ఆర్ వన్ అండ్ ద సేమ్. సత్తా హౌ పరమాత్మ ఫిల్స్ సత్తా రూపేణ. దెన్ స్ఫూర్తి కాన్షియస్నెస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్, existence consciousness principle. Paramatma is not Dehatma, not Pranatma, not Manaatma, but Paramatma Uttama Purushaha. Satta Bhava Matrena, Satta Spurti Pradata. He pervades everywhere. Next shloka we will read. यस्माक्षरमतीतोऽहम् अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रथितः पुरुषोत्तमः. With this, Lord Krishna concluding the Uttama Purusha definition, Yasmat, since Since I am alone, pervading the entire universe, because of this reason, yasmat means because of this above said reason, I am only pervading in Akshara Purusha and Kshara Purusha. Vibharti. Therefore, that Uttama Purusha, who is in Lord Krishna says, Aham. Aham eva Kshara Akshara Atitaha. Yasmat Ksharam Aksharam Aksharat Api Aham Atitaha. Since I am the Satta Spurti sentient consciousness principle, who is Avyayaha Ishvaraha, who controls the Maya and who sustains everything in this creation, I am beyond Ksharam and Aksharam. I am beyond Maya anartha. I am beyond invisible Maya and visible Maya. Visible Maya is what? Ksharam. Invisible Maya means Aksharam. So I am beyond both of them. That means what? I am Chetanam, they are Achetanam. Therefore they are different from me. Once Ksharam and Aksharam are Achetanam, both are different from me. I am what? Uttama Purusha I am. Not Dwaraka Krishna, not Vasudeva Krishna. That Krishna is time bound. That Krishna has got the Kala Paricheda, Desha Paricheda. Maya Sahitam Brahma, Ishvara, who is born as Krishna, is limited. But I am not limited Krishna Arjuna. I am Uttama Purusha, limitless. That's what Lord Krishna says. Aham Kshara Aksharad Api Atitaha. I am beyond. Beyond means Atikrantaha. I am surpassed anartha. Atikrantaha means our Angirupar Maya Ingirkan Cholakudan. Kshara Akshara Ingirka. They are here and Paramatma, but Uttama Purusha, Vaikuntha or Kailasam. If Pitta Vaikuntha, Nama Vicha Vaikuntha, we put a Patta Vicha Kailasam. Krishna says, nothing doing. I am in Kailasam also, I am in Vaikuntham also, I am in Bhulokam also. I am everywhere. So, Kshara Aksharam Atitaha na, I am not time bound. I am not space bound. Maya is time bound. Seconds, microseconds, this Maya is changing. No? Changing is a time principle. So, I am not changing. I am Nirvikaram, changeless. Therefore, time and space cannot touch me. Therefore, I am Atitam. I am Turiya Atma. From Mandukya language, if you want to know, Aksharam is Prajnaha. Ksharam is Vishwataijasa. Aksharam is Prajnaha. Ksharam is Vishwataijasa. From Veshti angle. From Samashti angle, Virat Hiranyagarbha is Ksharam, Ishvara is Aksharam. Virat Hiranyagarbha comes under Ksharam, Sthula Sukshma comes under Ksharam, and Karana Prapancha Karana Shariram comes under Aksharam. Lord Krishna says, I am Karya Karana Vilakshanam. Vishwa Taijasa Prajna, Virat Hiranyagarbha Ishvara, they are all my manifestations only. Kshara aksharat aham atitaha. Atitaha means they are all in me, but I am not in them. They are in me means what? Because of me only they are all sustaining. Without Vishwa Tejasa Prajna, without Virat Hiranyagarbha Ishvara, also Brahman exists or not? Brahman exists. சுவாமினி இருக்கிற கன்ஃபியூஷன் போகாமல நீங்க வேற ஏதோ இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்றேன்னு என்ன ஒன்னும் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணல, அதேதான் தத்துவபோத கேர் ஆஃப், அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகே, ஸோ மாயா is Akshara Purusha, Prapanchaha is Akshara Purusha, I am Uttama Purusha. So what? So what? Ataha. Therefore, I am Purushottamaha Vede Loke Pratithaha Asmi. Because of this reason, I am beyond this Kshara and Akshara. In literature, Puranas, Kavyams, Lokanna, in all our Puranas, Kavyas, Bharatam, Ramayanam, Bhagavatam, so many literature we are having. Kavayaha, Pratithaha means I am well known in our Puranas. In the world, Loke means here, Kavayaha, Kavyadishu, Idam nama prathitaha. Poets. Kavayaha means poets. Here it is not there. Shankaracharya writes. Loke means what? In the world. In the world, how do you know? Because of reading books. Who wrote Kavis? Poets have written. Where? In Kavyam. In literature they have written. What they have written? With this name they have mentioned. Arjuna Krishna Paramatma says, my name they have mentioned in the literature. Loke. Pratitaha. Asmi. I am well known with this name. என்னோட பேர் தெரியாத உனக்கு கேட்கிறார் அர்ஜுனன். என்னோட பேர் தெரியாத உனக்கு என்ன பேர் தெரியுமோ? உத்தம புருஷன். நான் நீ கிருஷ்ண இல்லையா? கிருஷ்ணா, பட் கிருத்தயுகంలో I was there, த்ரேதாயுகంలో I was there, ద్వాపరయుగంలో I am here, Kaliyugam also I am going to be there. Swamini is going to talk there. About what? Purushottamaha. Pratithaha. I am well known in the literature. Vedecha. Even in Veda. Krishna Paramatma Avataram Dvaparayugamlo Varthaka Munnadi Vedam irka illaya? Dvaparayugamku Munnadi Ethana Yugam irundadi? Tretayugam, Kratayugam. Dvaparadhukku appuram Kaliyugam. We are in which yuga now? Adi nanna theriyum. Kaliyuga we are in. So, Dvapara Yuga, Lord Krishna. Vede Pratithaha Asmi. I am well known in Veda as Uttama Purusha. அப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்? கிருஷ்ண அவதாரம் வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடியே நான் உத்தம புருஷனா இருந்தேன் சொல்றாரு. Before I am coming into this avatara as a Krishna, I was there in the form of Uttama Purushaha, Purushottamaha. This is my well-known popular name. இப்போ இந்த கிருஷ்ணா நேம் வந்து இந்த யுகத்துக்கு தான். That too few 1000 years. Krishna avataram. Afterwards, what? Krishna gone for good? Krishna says, no, I never go. My real name is Uttama Purushaha. This is a temporary name. I have come here to kill my uncle. I have come here to kill my uncle Kamsa. I have come here to make you to kill all these Drona, Bhishma, Duryodhana and all. I have come in a temporary Krishna body, but my name is Uttama Purushaha. Because in Veda I am very well known in this name. In Kavyas are also I am very well known in this name. Therefore Arjuna, I am Uttama Purushaha, Purushottamaha. Purushottamaha iti abhidhanena. With this name, I am well known. Next shloka. Yo mameva samudhaha जानाति पुरुषोत्तमम् स सर्वविद् भजति माम् सर्वभावेन भारत। यहाँ मनुस्मृतिला Manu says, the one who is born in this world as a human being, his life is fulfilled only when he gets this knowledge. Even Manusmritila, Manu says, that person alone is real Brahmanaha. That person alone is real Brahmanaha. Vishishta janma prasutena Brahmanena yat kartavyam. Once you are born as a Brahmana, what is your primary duty? Tat sarvam bhagavat tattve vidite. Everything is Bhagavan and Jnana Varnama. Once you are born in this culture, anywhere as a human being, sarvam, everything is Bhagavan only. Then your janma is sarthakam. Otherwise. Okay. So you have to become wise. Now, yaha asammudhaha, who is undeluded, viveki ityarthaha, sammoha varjitaha, free from delusion. Asammudhaha means free from delusion. Whoever is free from delusion, saha, that person, thus knows. Evam janati, he knows in this manner. Yaha asammudhaha saha evam janati. That means what? 16th sloka, 17th sloka, 18th sloka, they understand who is a viveki. A deluded person cannot understand. Discriminative person understands. Indiscriminative person cannot understand. Asammudhaha yaha saha janati imam evam janati. In this manner. In this manner means what? Kshara Purusha, Akshara Purusha, Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha is Chetanam, Kshara Akshara Purusha is Achetanam, and that Achetanam is Maya. That Maya is under the control of Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha is Nirvikaram, Nirgunam. That Uttama Purusha alone sustaining the entire universe, whoever knows in this manner. Not only that, when another thing, important thing, that Uttama Purusha is not Krishna Paramatma alone. That Uttama Purusha I am. I am the Uttama Purusha. Yaha janati saha, that who knows me, the Purushottama, mam Purushottamam janati. Whoever knows yathoktena prakarena anartha, as said above. This Purushottama is ayam ahamasmi iti arthaha. Evam janati means this Purushottama which I am studying in Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, this Purushottama is ahamasmi iti yaha evam janati. Ahamasmi means as himself, herself. Evam janati. Ayam ahamasmi iti evam janati. Who is in the form of consciousness in this body? Who is in the form of consciousness in one's own body? Sarvavit. Saha Sarvavit. He is the knower of all. Whoever knows me, the Purushottama, in this manner and which manner? As existent consciousness principles who is pervading everywhere. In the form, without form, with form also. When consciousness existent is all pervading, it is all pervading also అని ఇవనికి కొంచెం వివేకికి పురియం అన్నారు. మూఢనికి పురియాదు, అసమ్మూఢానికి పురియం. మూఢనికి పురియాదన్న అసమ్మూఢ అన్న హూ స్టడీ కన్సిస్టెంట్లీ భగవద్గీత ఫ్రమ్ ఏ కాంపిటెంట్ టీచర్ ఫర్ ఏ లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ కన్సిస్టెంట్లీ అబౌట్ దిస్, దట్ పర్సన్ అండర్స్టాండ్స్. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. సర్వాత్మనా సర్వం వేత్తి. సర్వవిత్ అనర్థం ఏక విజ్ఞానేన సర్వ విజ్ఞానం. సర్వవిత్ నోవర్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. నోవర్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎప్పుడాడు? హౌ కెన్ యూ నో ఎవ్రీథింగ్? యు నో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ యాజ్ కాన్షియస్నెస్ ఎగ్జిస్టెన్స్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. ఏక విజ్ఞానం. వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్? డెస్క్ తెలియమన్నా ఏదన్నా ఈజినెస్ తెలియమన్నా. ఈజినెస్, ஈஸ்னஸ், ஈஸ்னஸ், ஈஸ் எவ்ரிதிங் ஈஸ்னஸ். ஐ ஆம், நான் இருக்கேன், இது இருக்கு, இது இருக்கு, அது இருக்கு, அது இருக்குன்னு அந்த இருப்புதல் தான் பகவத் ஸ்வரூபம். ரூபம்లో இருக்கும். இட் இஸ் அப்பியரிங் இன் த ஃபார்ம். இட் இஸ் அப்பியரிங் இன் த ஃபார்ம். இது கிராஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு சட்டில் இன்டலெக்ட் வேணும். சட்டில் என்ன? ஃபோக்கஸ்டு மைண்ட், pure focused mind is required. So Lord, even Kathopanishad, Mahato param avyaktam avyaktat purushah paraha purushanna param kinchit ya kashtha sa paragatihi. Purushanna param na kinchit asti. Avyaktam avyaktati munnadi vyaktam vyaktam avyaktam avyaktat purushaha paraha. Therefore, Sarvavit means Eka Vijnanena Sarva Vijnana. Knower of all. Knower of all as what? Na Atma. Sarvatma Bhavana. Then what? Sarva Bhavena Mam Bhajati. Hey Bharata, O Arjuna, once he recognizes me as the consciousness existence principle who is pervading in everything in the world, he worships me. Bhajati means here, Eka worships me. He sees that Atma Swarupam in everything. That is Bhavana. Not in Rama, Krishna alone. Not in the temple alone. He sees everything as Atma Swarupam. He worships me. His worship will be the highest worship. Higher order of worship. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ LKG. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಕ್ತಿ, ರಾಮ ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಶಿವಭಕ್ತಿ, ವಿಷ್ಣು ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ LKG பக்தி. இப்போ யூகேஜிக்கு வருது. இப்போ அப்புறம் கிராஜுவேஷனுக்கு ஆகணும். ஏகரூபா டு ஏகரூப பக்தி இஸ் பிரைமரி ஸ்கூல். ஓகே. அண்ட் அநேக ரூபா இஸ் கிராஜுவேஷன். அரூப ஞானம் இஸ் போஸ்ட் கிராஜுவேஷன். எல்கேஜி எங்க இருக்க, போஸ்ட் கிராஜுவேஷன் எங்க இருக்கு? இப்போ ஒரு நாளைக்கு எல்கேஜியில் என்ட்ரி ஆயிட்டான்னா போஸ்ட் கிராஜுவேஷன் வருவானா இல்லையா? வருவான். மதர் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் எக்ஸ்பெக்டிங். மதர் வென் த பேபி இஸ் ஸ்டடிங் எல்கேஜி, ப்ரீகேஜி, and mother imagines my son is going to become engineer, doctor, lawyer. She feels that, imagines that child is in that convocation போய் எல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு how mother imagine எப்போ இவன் இன்னும் crawling this baby, still baby is crawling, but mother father என்ன படிக்க போறான்னா இன்ஜினியர் படிக்க போறான் பையன். அவன் இன்னும் பேசவே வரல, வார்த்தை சொல்ல தெரியல, இன்ஜினியர் படிக்க போறான். they have lot of dreams and dreams and dreams. அது மாதிரி ஒரு நாள் பகவத்கீதை தர்ம க்ஷேத்ரே குருக்ஷேத்ரே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டான்னா அந்த நாளும் வந்துடானோ. எல்கேஜியில் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டான்னா ஒன் டே ஆர் அதர் we can claim that we are Brahman. No doubt in that. iti guhyatamam shastram idamuktam maya nagha etad buddha buddhiman syat kritakrityascha bharata. So that Paramatma who is Purushottamaha is never away from me in the form of consciousness, existence, principle. Chaitanya Rupena means consciousness. Satta Rupena means existence. He is never away from me. Then next statement, he is ever with me. He is never away from me. Statement number 1. He is ever with me. Statement number 2. Third statement is he is me. All that. He is me. The simple English பாடுங்க. Vedanta is the easiest subject. இது படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் இன்னொரு படிக்க வேண்டாம். கிருத்தகிருத்யா பாரதான். Complete satisfaction. No more dissatisfaction in the life. Paripurnata comes. That's what Lord Krishna says in this shloka. So he is never away from me, he is with me and he is me alone. First, how we have to start? Bhagavan is not away from me because he is all pervading. Start that journey first. The religious life. He is never away from me is the religious life. He is with me is you are in between philosophy and religion. He is always with me, with me, with me. He can never leave me. Surrender to the Lord. Upasana between philosophy and religion. And philosophy, once you totally come to philosophy, Vedanta study, you recognize what statements I have done. He is never away from me. He is with me. How can I say all these words? He is me. Me means what me? RCya, RMA, OCya. OC. OC enna original consciousness. RC enna reflected consciousness. RM enna reflected medium. The reflected medium and reflected consciousness இந்த ரெண்டு தனியா இருக்கா என்னன்னா அதே கிடையாது. I, the Chaitanyam alone appear as Ahankara, Chidabhasa, Naneda, Ellame Naneda. I myself alone appears. This Jnanam is called Purna Jnanam. That me, I am, he is me. Me enna I am local address card காமிச்சு அந்த me ன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. Body mind complex annamaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, manomaya kosha, vijnanamaya kosha, anandamaya kosha. All these koshas are within me. They are all sustained by me. My own vasham. Annamaya kosha is one coat. I am wearing one coat. Pranamaya kosha, another vasham. Manomaya kosha, vijnanamaya kosha. I am hungry. I the conscious am when I am in pranamaya kosha, I feel hungry. When I am in this physical body, mutti vali yarukkanna saakshiki da pavam. Brahmanuku da mutti vali enna. Odambula irukkumbodhu mutti vali maadhiri enna. Okay. Intelligence, emotional problems, ellame enna. So therefore, we have to travel a lot. Swamini, innu mudiyaliya? Innu travel irukkanna. Okay. Iti guhyatamam shastram. Hey Arjuna, Anagha. Anagha means, oh sinless one, Arjuna. Innu or just it comes idea. Kshara Purusha, Akshara Purusha, Uttama Purusha. Kshara Purusha is Ekarupa Ishvara. Akshara Purusha is Alayale Ishvara. Alayale தெரியுமா? அந்த வட்டபத்திர சாயி ஆலயலையில் அது காரண ரூபம்ல இருக்கு மாயா. ஆலயலை ஈஸ்வர இஸ் அக்ஷர புருஷா. Maya in potential form. Kshara Purusha is what? Changing, no? Manifesting Maya. Then this Purushottamaha is Arupa Ishvara. Arupa Ishvara. Arupa Ishvara is Purushottamaha. Akshara Purusha is Alayala Ishvara. And Ksharapurusha is Lord Krishna, Dwapara Yugam. Sakta Purusha, Upadhi, highest Upadhi. Highest Upadhi. What is common in all these three? Anna Chaitanyam, Satta, Spurti, Chaitanyam. This Maya cannot touch me. The Chaitanyam. He Anagha, O sinless one, and Vyasana Rahitahan. Why I had taught you, Arjuna, this Guhyatamam Shastram, secret teaching? Why I taught you, Anna? You have asked. You have asked me, I taught. Secondly, you are deserved. You are deserved for this Shastram because you are Anagha. You are sinless one. Vyasana Rahita Gaha. Kula Gunena Swagunenava. Kula Gunamana, you are in a Kshatriya family, you are born. From that angle also you are Uttamaha. And Swagunam, your own Guna also very pleasing to me. That's why I am teaching this Shastram. Guhyatamam Shastram Maya Uktam. Taught by me until now. Idam Guhyatamam Shastram Maya Uktam. The most secret. Guhyatamam means Tama indicates the most secret. Atyanta Rahasyam anartham. Atyanta Rahasyam Idam Shastram. This teaching Brahma Vidya, Shankaracharya says, Sarva Vedartha Gita. 15th chapter is Sarva Vedarthama. Sarva Vedartha Saram. Iha Parisamaptaha. With this, the teaching is over. Bhagavad Gita teaching. நான் உத்தம புருஷன் சொல்றதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல சொல்ல போறாரு. 16th 17th chapterలో he says, if you want to claim you are uttama purushaha, purushottamaha, come for 16th and 17th chapter. I will give the clue and make your way easy. Okay, maya uttam. By knowing this, etad buddha buddhiman kritakrityaha syat. Buddhiman means a viveki, wise person. Yathartha tattvam shrutva, having heard the exact teaching from a competent teacher. Etat shrutva or buddha, having known this. Buddhiman means wise person. Buddhiman da varuva class ki illana buddhuman nu ardham. Buddhuman. A viveki, buddhiman, the one who has got buddhi and ardham, who is using the buddhi. After coming to Bhagavad Gita class, knowing the Atma, Anatma, Viveka, how can I miss Bhagavad Gita class? Bhagavad Gita class is alone primary for me, buddhiman and ardham. What he is going to get? Kritakrityaha syat. Becomes wise and fulfilled. Buddhiman bhavati and kritakrityaha bhavati. Syat means bhavati. He becomes wise. Panditaha bhavati. Jnani bhavati. And kritakrityaha bhavati. Practical benefit. No limitation and ardham. Adilliya idilliya kurai ondrum illai marai murti kannan. I am fulfilled. Kritam krityam kartavyam. Kritam krityam kartavyam. Yena saha. Panda vendi idella pandi mudichitta anardham. Innu pannanu adi pannanu idu pannanu avashyame kadiyadu. I am complete. I am a fulfilled person, full accomplished person. Nothing remains to accomplish. You want, what is your destination? I have already attained my destination. What are your aspirations? I have completed my aspirations. What is your dreams? My dreams are already fulfilled. What do you want? I don't want anything. Why? Nothing is there for me to desire. Kritakritya. Anando Brahmana. Hey Bharata, Sarva Karmakhilam Partha Jnanena Parisamapyate. Krishna said in 2nd chapter. All karmas, culmination is what? This Brahma Jnanam. Purushottama Jnanam. So this is the knowledge. Afterwards, Jnana vandadukapram puja pannuvanna. Pannuvam. அதுதான் துவைத்தம் மோகாய பிராக், மோகாய போதாத் பிராக். ஞானம் வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி துவைத்தம் வந்த கன்ஃபியூஷன். அதுக்கப்புறம் துவைத்தம் மோகாமய போதாத் பிராக், போதாத் ஊர்தம் அத்வைதாதபி சுந்தரம். ஒன்ஸ் ஐ கெட் நாலேஜ், போதாத் ஊர்தம், அப்புறம் ஐ வர்ஷிப், ஐ டூ சிவ அபிஷேகம், ருத்ராபிஷேகம், அத்வைதாதபி சுந்தரம். ஞானத்தோட பண்ணுற போது பூஜை ஆனந்தமா இருக்கும், ஆனந்தமா இருக்கும். இல்லைன்னு என்ன இருக்கும், துவைத்தத்தில் இருந்து பண்ணினா பயம் பயமா இருக்கும். ஐயோ இவர் என்ன பண்ணுவாரோ, இந்த காட் என்ன பண்ணுவாரோ, அவர் என்ன பண்ணுவாரோ. அதே ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் பண்ண பாரு, பகவான், திஸ் இஸ் விபூதி ஆஃப் த பகவான், தட் பகவான், ஹியர் ஆல் ஆர் ஒன் அண்ட் த சேம் ஆனந்தம். ஓம் தத் சத். इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे पुरुषोत्तमयोगो नाम पंचदशोऽध्यायः. Thus tat sat iti, tat sat, that parabrahma is existence principle, sat iti. Om tat sat. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishatsu. In this Bhagavad Gita, which is the essence of the Upanishads, Brahma Vidya teaching, Yoga Shastram, that which is the Yoga Shastram giving the topic sadhanas, so many sadhanas to get this knowledge. This is between the dialogue between Krishna Arjuna Samvade. In this dialogue Samvada, the context is Purushottama Yogo Nama, the chapter titled Purushottama Yoga, which is 15th chapter, is over. With this, the Purushottama Yoga is completed. Therefore, without Dvaita Bhakti, Advaita Jnanam is impossible. Without Advaita Jnanam, Dvaita Bhakti is incomplete. Therefore, enter into Dvaita Bhakti and cross the Dvaita Bhakti and enter into Advaita Jnanam. This Dvaita Bhakti, emotional level, it gives support to me, and Advaita Jnanam gives intellectually satisfaction, completeness, Purnatvam, Ananda. With this, 15th chapter is over. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.